Imagine living in a house that has already crossed 4 centuries and is now breathing again, ready to live 4 more. Zwarte Fles Residence sits in the heart of a small village in Belgium. From the outside, it carries the weight of time, a 17th century historic building that has been a country house, then a café, then a restaurant. Layers of stories, uses, and transformations have accumulated over the years. But there came a moment when it was necessary to give this house back its original identity. Instead of erasing the past or trying to turn it into something completely new, the intervention began with a simple and powerful gesture, revealing what had always been there: the proportions of the windows, the traditional colors of the façade, the old details. Everything was carefully restored so the house could once again have a strong presence in the village square. As you step inside, the atmosphere changes completely. The interior doesn't try to feel overly historic nor excessively modern. It finds balance: soft tones, natural materials, plenty of light entering through the restored windows. There's a sense of calm, almost of silence, as if time moves at a different pace inside. Historic elements, like the central fireplace, remain as anchors of memory. They are not treated as museum pieces, but as living parts of everyday life. At the back of the plot, an interesting contrast appears. A new volume, discreet, contemporary, almost quiet. It doesn't compete with the old house. On the contrary, it positions itself with respect. Its facade features filtered openings that allow controlled light to enter, creating a subtle play of shadow and texture. From certain angles, you can frame specific views of the square or the garden, as if each window were designed to tell a small story. What's interesting is that this new block has a more reserved posture. It doesn't fully open to the street. It maintains a certain introspection, creating a peaceful retreat within the urban context. Between the historic building and the new volume, the dialogue happens naturally. There's no clash, there's transition. Outside, the different ground levels help create small variations in perspective. Walking around the house, you notice how it fits the scale of the village, how it respects its surroundings, while reaffirming its presence. Zwarte Fles Residence shows that an old house doesn't have to become a frozen scene in time. It can evolve, it can adapt, it can continue living. Here, past and present don't compete. They coexist. And maybe that's exactly what makes this house so special. It doesn't try to impress through excess. It wins you over through balance.